Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's guide video is all about how to change your plan in Netflix. Before we dive in, if you're new here, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. First things first, make sure you've updated the Netflix app. Keep in mind that if you want to change your plan on Netflix, you'll need to use the browser version. Don't worry, if you prefer using the app, you can still change your plan, but the option won't be available there. So, let's open up our browser and type in netflix.com. We'll leave a link to the site in the description box below for easy access. Once you're on Netflix, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll see an interface that looks like this. To change your plan, look for the three horizontal lines on the top left-hand side of the screen. Click on them, and you'll see a range of options. Under your profile name, you'll find an option called Account. Click on that. You'll be taken to a new page. Scroll down until you find the option called Plan Details. Here, you'll see your current plan. For example, I have the Premium Ultra HD plan, which supports up to 4K movies and videos. To change your plan, simply click on the option that says Change Plan. Once you click on Change Plan, you'll be given three options. If you want to downgrade to a standard video quality, which is almost 1080p, and watch Netflix on any phone, tablet, computer or TV, you'll pay up to $17 a month. Alternatively, you can switch to the good video quality, which is up to 480p, and pay up to $11 a month. Once you've selected your desired plan, click on the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a message that says Confirm Change. If you want to switch to the standard mode, simply tap and confirm the change. Keep in mind that this change will only be applied from the next billing cycle, which in this example is the 26th of July, 2022. After the current billing cycle ends, your membership will restart with the new plan. Go ahead and confirm the change if you'd like. Of course, if you're happy with your current plan, you don't have to make any changes. That's all there is to it. Follow the on-screen instructions to change your plan in Netflix. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video.